I'm going to show you how to remove the siding of your house. You see it's rotten. To begin, you first must remove the soffit. And to remove the soffit, you have to remove the soffit completely. That means taking the nails out from the siding of the soffit. As you can see, there's a nail hole right there. After you remove both sides, then you can begin removing the siding. I made a mistake. I'm about to show you coming up. I tried a shortcut and I only removed the soffit and one of the sides. And you make sure you remove both sides of the soffit. Then you can begin. You see this mistake right here? I'm trying to remove the siding of the house with the sides of the soffit still on. Now you can begin. I just used a crowbar and a hammer. I had a helper and that helped. Removed everything and began putting plastic. We cut the plastic to size so that way it could help with insulation. And we took our measurement from top to bottom. We started in the middle. Make sure you leave 1 inch space from the roof. Your siding needs a little bit of space for wood to contract and expand. Now take your measurements, cut the necessary holes that need to be cut, and put it on. Now you can put the soffit back together, put on the siding, use the speed square to make sure both sides are parallel. You don't want to have your soffit crooked. And that was it. Now the necessary clips back into place and slide the soffit back in. They interlock with one another, so that is not that difficult. Took me a whole day and the night. I worked all night. Didn't leave until I was done because we get it done. Thank you very much. You can do this too. Use new soffit. Bye.